Today we're going to learn about Bruxism. What are you doing?
I'm checking if my teeth are still complete. Mom says I grind them at night.
Oh, wow. But don't worry. They don't cause harm to your teeth.
How do you know?
I do that sometimes, too. Mom brought me to my dentist, and he told me that it's just normal. Grinding or clenching our teeth is called Bruxism.
Oh, tell me more about Bruxism.
All right. I'll tell you the things I learned from my dentist about Bruxism. Bruxism can happen during the day, but it usually happens when we're asleep, when we're not aware of it. It can happen to anyone, both kids and adults. Dentists aren't sure of what causes bruxism, but they think that it has something to do with how the top and bottom teeth fit together. Stress can also be a cause of bruxism. When we worry too much, the body reacts to these nervous feelings, like grinding or clenching our teeth. Bruxism doesn't cause any pain or damage to our teeth, but if you share a room with your parents or siblings, you'll definitely disturb them with sound. In serious cases, bruxism can wear down the hard covering of our teeth called enamel. That causes pain and jaw problems. But that usually happens to grown-ups, not kids. There's usually no need to do something about bruxism, but if it's causing you pain or other problems, your dentist might give you something called a night guard to wear at night. It's fitted especially for your teeth and mouth to prevent you from grinding your teeth. Wearing it can prevent future problems. Since dentists suspect that stress is also a cause of bruxism, you might want to try changing your bedtime routine so you're more relaxed before you sleep. You can take a warm bath or shower, listen to slow music, or read a book. It might help you say goodbye to bruxism.
I'll take note of your suggestions. Thank you. I learned a lot from you today.
You're welcome. Learning is always fun. How about you? Do you experience teeth grinding or bruxism?